Alright, so I know y'all can't see me too well. It's early. Jill's sitting right over there. She's taking me to the airport this morning, so the journey begins. Fixing to get on the plane here in just a second, and I am flying up to How Farms Work Farm Days. So I got some other stuff I'm going to talk about here in a minute once it gets a little bit more light and maybe I get in the airport. But this video is going to be shot this morning and uploaded this morning, so I'll be back. Security, security, security. Here we go, man. Fixing to get on the first one, First stop is Atlanta, and then I'll make a connector there and then go from there. I'm on the next plane. I just barely did make this one too, so my next stop I'll be up there, and then I got a little bit of about an hour and a half drive, then I'll get a rental car and everything. But let's see here, that's the closest I've ever been, dude. I'm missing a flight, man.
3 in line takeoff and flight attendant will play the cab for departure.
Alright, so I'm here in my rental car and fixing to leave the airport and head north. I got about an hour and a half drive north, I guess, and that's where I'll be tonight, and then I'll be at How Farms Work tomorrow. A lot of people's asked about doing a live feed. I may do that. It just kind of depend on the cell service that I've got right there at the place and just kind of what's going on. But if y'all want to see me, if you coming by a stop, you'll see me. I'll be up there in the middle of everything with Wes and Ryan and all them and all that. So I'm fixing to get on the road. I'm gonna go ahead and put this video together right quick and upload it, and then the ones that are coming up there, I'll see y'all there. So if you like my stuff, subscribe to me. A very different video today, I know. I've got some other videos that I'm gonna be posting that's already there. I just wanted to do this for today coming up. So if you like my stuff, please subscribe to me. Find me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, all that stuff like that. It's Cotton Top 3. Watch this later tater from somebody else there. See y'all.